GPS navigational devices have become pretty standard, not only in the RV industry, but in automobiles and trucks. We have them on our cell phones, we have them integrated into dashes. But I get this question a lot: what is the best GPS device for an RV? Now, there's several that are out in the market. The ones that are pretty popular by most of the forums and that I've used personally, Magellan makes this larger 7-inch. You can get it in 4 and a 5-inch, but I like the 7 because in the larger RVs, the dash is going to be farther away, so it's a little harder to see. The things that I look for, and then there's some other ones out there. Magellan's one, we have Rand McNally, Garmin, all three of those are pretty good. The things that I look for in a GPS is, first of all, I want to find out, does it have RV settings? Can I put my height? Can I put my width? Can I put the weight in there? And this is going to help route me around areas that I may have low clearance or issues with an RV. I also look to see if I can hook to any of the campground sources that are out there. The Good Sam Trailer Life directory, that's going to give me places where I'm going to go. Now I can also have battery life. Some of them are only about 30 minutes, so I'm going to have them plugged in. Some of them will go for 2 hours. Usually when I'm RVing, I'm going to plug this in to some type of a power source on my dash, or even hardwire it on these larger ones. I want to make sure that it has map upgrades that are free. Some of the price points you get, each year you have to upgrade the different road constructions and new roads that have come in. That costs you money, so take a look at what those options are. And finally, I'm going to look for multi-destination routing and even points of interest. So price isn't always the factor in looking at the GPS. Size and functionality for your RV.